All right, it's time to start on the other side of the face. Be right back. So I'll continue working on this side of Lincoln's face, and I think it's turning out pretty good. I might be able to put his beard on later on this. I don't know if I'll do it today, but probably tomorrow. I've got no place to go this week. I'm here all week, except for Friday, of course. I'm just having a hard time getting started today for some reason. Could be that it's a Monday. It could be that I'm sitting here blabbing instead of sculpting. I got his face pretty well sketched in. I got to work on those ears tomorrow. Then I can start adding the hair to his head. I've also got to even out the skull just a little bit more. What he's going to be wearing is basically a shawl that comes down across his back of his neck, down across his chest, down around here, and then thrown back up over his shoulder. I got that from the movie Lincoln. He's sitting in talking to a couple of Morse code readers, or in the communications department of the White House, I guess. And he's got this shawl on. It just looks so great around his neck, and it frames his face in perfectly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.